Okay, so quicksets, pretty easy. For these, there's like a little part on the very back of the quickset, this metal piece right here. You're gonna take this tool, pickleball fork, just or straight bar steel, put it back on this little part rectangle right here, and push inward. Once you push it inward, turn it upside down while you're still pushing inward and let that fall out. And that completely falls out. Next step, you're going to take the pickleball, insert it here, put it diagonally, because if you try to just jam it in there, it's not going to fit. You need to slowly tilt it upward, downward I mean, until that plate starts lifting up. And then once it's lifted up, you're going to push it all the way through until it doesn't move anymore. Once that is the case in point, you're going to turn it upside down and then pop it. And like that, it's popped. Next, this is pretty much simple stuff that you should already know. Give me just 1 second. I just need to plate tool. Next thing, you're going to take off this little security ring. Pretty simple. Just put it to the right onto one side and then left on the other side, and then just keep twisting and turning. Or you can use the pickleball, doesn't matter. Might be easier than the schleg. Put it on side and then twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn until at least it's starting to pop out. There we go. Pop that, pop it out. Okay, next, take the original key, insert it in, push it all the way in, turn it sideways, grab this little white piece inside the kwikset toolbox, line it up, and start pushing. Do not, if it can't go all the way through, do not start pulling back, because you'll leave a gap like this, and then the pin will fall through, spring will fall out, and then you're going to have to fix that mess. So keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. If you feel like it doesn't want to go in, you can just push back, but push back together. Do not make a little gap. That is the biggest thing. Do not make a little gap. Alright, next, you find out the size of the pins through the kwikset gauge. So for example, this bottom one, I don't know what it is, so I'm going to put it in and slide all the way to the right, and it is, and I'm keeping it straight, it is a 4. That is a 4. It will not go to 5. So 4, the next one, 2, next one, 2, next one, 2, next one, 3. So 4, 2, 2, 2, 3. Hey, sir. 4, 2, 2, 3. And after that, just take out the pins. I don't care right now about organizing. I'll show you guys later. Then look inside the box and you'll be able to find each pin size. And you want them to be flat like this. You don't want one to be like this. Give me 1 sec. If I can put it in. You don't want one to be too deep like that. And you don't want one to be too tall like this. Some might be very difficult to tell. Like, it'll look a little bit taller, or where'd it go? It'll look just a tad bit short. So, give me one. Once you get all the right pins in, you will take the tumbler again, line it up, Keep pushing. Don't try to separate them. Again, you'll let the springs and pins fall out. Push it all the way through. Check if it works. Hey, it works. Okay, try to take the key out. Notice how I'm pushing my thumb down so this tumbler doesn't pull out when I'm pulling the key out. Once the key is out completely, take the security. Take this little pin right here, or C-clip. Put it back onto the kwikset. There we go. Then you're going to go onto the knob itself. Push it back in. Try to figure out which way it'll go in. Okay, cool. And then finally, you're going to take this piece back. Just shove it in there with this point siding up. And there, you're key to key.